U.S. Customs and Border Protection has just released body-worn camera footage from a use-of-force incident that happened near Brownsville, Texas, on May 13, 2025. The video shows the moment Border Patrol agents were forced to respond to a potentially dangerous situation. As always, CBP says the footage is being released in the interest of transparency and accountability. An investigation is ongoing, and a full review will be made public once it's complete.
Took off on foot. He's coming towards us, he said. On foot.
They made contact in the alleyway.
Crossfire! Get the guns right behind him! He's been shot. We need to take his handcuffs off. We need to put an occlusive on him. Recovery position. I think he went through. Just put him on the recovery position and bring him up.
If you found this video informative, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps me bring you more content like this. Drop a comment too. I read them all.